Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Eat positive, live positive. इस अच्छी सी बात के साथ आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं पिज़्ज़ा, एज यू कैन सी। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ग्रेट द चीज़। मोज़रेला चीज़ इज़ यूज बेसिकली इन पिज़्ज़ा। अगर आपके पास मोज़रेला और चेडर का मिक्सअप हो तो क्या ही बात है। एंड इसको हम ग्रेट करके एयर टाइट बॉक्स में रख लेंगे ताकि इसको पानी ना लगने पाए। पानी लगने से ये ख़राब हो जाता है। डो की वीडियो अपलोडेड है, आप इजीली देख सकते हैं। दिस इज़ जस्ट अ रिकैप and how I fry the beef. This is left behind beef of beef karai, and I have put masala on it and marinated for half an hour because meat is already cooked and we just have to add flavor to it. So I have marinated half an hour and then I will fry it. How to make pizza sauce, I have already uploaded its video and you can see that the showing purpose is just to recap all the things that you have to do all these steps on that same day when you are making pizza. Now the beef is frying and our sauce is ready. So now I have preheat the oven for 15 minutes. This is my dough, very mashallah bubbly fry very well, and I will knead it again so all the air should comes out like that. You can apply oil to your hands as well, or you can apply flour, whatever you like. We will knead it again for 2 minutes or 3. Divide it equal 4 parts and I will show you 4 different kinds of pizzas. One is of net pizza, one is top crust, another is thin based, like that. You will see in further video. Like this, we will set the dough on a metallic plate. Any kind of metallic plate you can use. If you don't have any pizza pan, doesn't matter, you can use any kind of metallic plate. And we will apply first of all our pizza sauce and like this, spread all over. Now the first layer of cheese, and I make pizza like that, so double layer of cheese I have applied. And now the vegetables, capsicum, onion, corn you can add, mushrooms you can add, whatever you like. Now again I will add cheese, no, meat. First of all meat, then again a bit cheese because this is a net pizza, otherwise the cheese will comes out from the net. And that's it. Now I will tell how to make a net of that same dough. I have used that same dough of pizza dough. Olives, and to add red color I have applied red chilies. And in the end, my favorite thyme. Now we will make our net. Just randomly make a roti and we will apply cuts with the help of knife like this. One centimeter, it's about 1 centimeter. Like this. When we will stretch it, it becomes like a net, and we will apply it on our pizza. It deserves a like on such a good idea, don't you think so? Now we will apply egg with the help of a brush, so it will give a shiny texture to the pizza. If you like my video, hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, Don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon so my every new video comes first to you. Now I'm gonna bake it. Both the timings are mentioned here. Read carefully. Stone oven and regular oven. Time can be vary from like oven to oven. Time may be vary because every oven has different tendency. So now I'm gonna make another pizza. This is top crust pizza. I will make it on stove on tawa. Like this, we will apply double layer of dough. A preheat pan or any tawa. Apply oil and then we will put our pizza to cook on low flame. Our flame is low. Be careful, otherwise it will burn and inside cheese will not melt. Apply oil to the upper side and flip it carefully. So this is top crust pizza. I'm gonna share one more pizza with you people. This is thin based pizza एंड जिनको डो मोटी नहीं पसंद है इसमें बिल्कुल बारीक डो हम लेंगे और ऊपर पिज़्ज़ा सॉस अप्लाई करेंगे और तवा पे डाल के इसको बाकी तमाम चीज़ें ऊपर रूटीन में जिस तरह से लगाते हैं लगा देंगे और इसको ऊपर से ढक के कवर करके इसे कुक कर लेंगे. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो डू लाइक इट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल योर सपोर्ट. सी यू सून. अल्लाह हाफिज़.